If you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm for October, keep on watching. Hello all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. We're doing the Boxycharm for October. I've received both my boxes, but we're going to do the base box for this particular video. Alright, so here's my box. I already popped it open. And here we have Spellbound. Ooh! I like how they kind of did this new thing with the drop shop, mega drop shop, and the Boxy Beauty Bash. I guess the Boxy Beauty Bash, it's going to be early November, kind of like a Black Friday type of deal. So if you really like their deals, like I like their deals, and so do my daughters, check it out. Alright, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 items here. Let's go with the biggest one. Alright, so I got the Gillette Beauty. This is the makeup remover towelettes. This is $20. Mickey Collar. It's pore refining with witch hazel. As we are going to... It smells really nice. Not a strong fragrance. Ready to try it? Snack it for your skin. Alright, 2-in-1 wipes, remove makeup and impurities while refining the pores. So let's take a look at here. Nice cloth here. Go ahead and cleanse the skin. Daughter is going gaga crazy. Alright, initially, so far it seems pretty good. I'm getting a little tingle here. I told you, like my skin is kind of strange whenever it comes to witch hazel, so just allow that to dry and keep going. My skin's not dying. Alright, so next up, Glow Recipe. I love their stuff. These are the watermelon niacinamide Dewdrops. Brighten skin, glow, and reduces hyperpigmentation. This runs for $34. It absorbs into the skin. So let's go ahead and try this. Ooh, it's so pretty. Smells just like the watermelon mask. It does absorb very quickly, and the skin is very soft. And y'all know how I am about my skincare.
It took 5 swipes to take off everything.
Ooh, next up we have Tint, T-Y-N-T. No, that's not how that works. This is the Lash and Brow Duo. This is $29. It is mascara and brow gel. Oh, it's on 2 sides. Okay, so this is a really cool container. So you have the lash on top, you have the brow on the bottom. It doesn't have a... Okay, black lash, brown brow. So let's try with the brow. This is exciting. It's nice. It's metal. Okay, so you do get a lot of color that comes off of this little wand. You can see it. Okay, and let us see. They have here, you know, something I would definitely be interested in buying again. So imagine if you did curl the lashes, what that would look like. So that's really cool. Yeah, I like that. This Jelly's Beauty double-sided wing stamp eyeliner. So I've never got to try that. Michaela's excited about it. Alright, so double-sided. Okay, so you have this guy right here. It is felt. And then you have this bi-directional thing here. So because of the eyeshadow that's here, nice try though, John. I have the Ace Beauté Falling For You palette. This runs for $34.99, and that wing stamp eyeliner is $22. So I think let's play with a bunch of these colors. These are so pretty. They're jeweled for fall. Look at how pretty that is. So I think that we'll do something simple. Let us see. Go in with this color Autumn. And again, no eyeshadow primer. The color goes on bold. So look This is the color without a primer. Let's go with this pine cone. It's that darker brown, kind of. Make this a little, make this a little right here. I'm gonna do this cider. It's like this really cool green color.
We should get a water buffalo. Higgins, what are you doing? Revenge for the last time I whooped you?
That was 4 years ago, homie.
All right, so that's one eye. All right, so 2 different looks with the eyeshadow. This is more a little bit blended, really folly. And so I want to try this. I've never used an eyeshadow or eyeliner stamp, so I'm kind of scared. But this is what it looks like. Little arrow finger. All right.
Good news is these girls are gonna say hi to it.
Oh. Are you seeing like definitely to this up higher than I normally would, so let's see if we can putz around with the other eye. Don't judge. It's my first time doing a stamp. Okay, so that is much gooder, much better. Alright, so obviously that eye is better than this eye, but you know, if you like to hook up towards the brow, that's fine. I like to go out for that elongated eye, but this isn't half bad. Just have to putz with it, okay? And then let's kind of go with a little bit more mascara here to get some of this eyeshadow off the lashes, There, it's not too bad. Alright, so these are the products that I did receive here, and so looking at this briefly, we're looking at $150 worth of product here for my Boxycharm base box. Alright, so stay tuned. I have my Boxycharm premium unboxing here on the way. Okay, bye!